Hello everybody, it's Jason here from my Masterbuilt Electric Smoker Facebook page. And today I'm excited to announce I just got the Masterbuilt 44-inch pellet smoker. I'm very excited to get this together and start cooking on it. This is definitely going to be a different way of smoking food. I think it's going to be the closest thing that we've been able to get to a traditional stick burner, but with the convenience of the Masterbuilt products with just a set it and forget it ability. With electric smokers, you never really achieve the smoke ring due to lack of combustion, but with the Masterbuilt pellet, you're going to have that combustion of the pellets burning, creating the smoke, also creating the heat, and therefore giving you that nice smoke ring. And of course, the smoke ring doesn't add any flavor to your meat, but it definitely looks nice, and I'm excited to use it. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. So we have our new Masterbuilt 44-inch smoker unboxed, and thought I would share some initial opinions of the smoker before I go ahead and put it together. So the first thing I want to talk about is the new sleek design. There's two stores currently where you can pick this up from. That's Cabela's and Academy. I got mine from Academy. With the Academy model, it has the new branding of Masterbuilt on it. And it also has the glass window. I believe the ones at Cabela's is solid black door. And the door itself, I own many different models from the 30-inch electric smoker up to the 44-inch propane. This is the heaviest door I've seen to date from Masterbuilt. It's really thick. I'm not going to give exact measurements because I don't know, but I would say close to almost an inch. I could be wrong on that, but it's quite thick. It's heavy duty, and it's got a nice sleek new design. Now on the front here, they have some quantities of the various cuts of meat that you can cook in this. I'm not really sure how big some of these cuts may be to match these numbers, but here they boast 30 whole chickens, 6 turkeys. Now I don't see 6 whole turkeys going here. Maybe they're referring to turkey breast. 12 racks of ribs, 24 pork butts, and this is going to have 6 racks in it once it's fully assembled, and it's going to have a digital control over here where we're going to put our pellets. Meat probe. Now I know the one in Cabela's has 2 different meat probes with this. I'm not sure how many this one will include. I assume 2, but I'll know better once I start putting it together. And this is currently just sitting on the floor. I have to build a base for it. And that base is also going to include some wheels to make it easy to maneuver to wherever you have to. And the door latches, they're traditional adjustable door latches. Again, nice and sturdy. And I'm looking, well, I don't know if I want to say I'm looking forward to putting this together because there's many boxes here, but we're going to go ahead and get started putting this together so we can start using it. Alright folks, I thought I would share with you one final video. This is the Masterbuilt 44-inch pellet smoker assembled from Academy. I'm going to go ahead and take you through it now as it's assembled and show you all the different features and how it looks interiorly. So on the side we have the traditional adjustable door latches, heavy duty door latches. So they have that. The Academy model has a glass window, and it also has the new branding of Masterbuilt. Gonna go ahead and open it up now, and I'd like to take a moment and talk about this door. This door, I see now that it's similar to the Masterbuilt 44-inch propane model. It's a thick door. I like that door. It should help keep the heat inside. Go ahead and open this up. Now on this particular model, we have 6 cooking racks. And I measured earlier, in between each rack, you have roughly 5.5 to almost 6 inches of space. So I could see a lot of pork butts going in there on each rack. You could do full racks of ribs with no trouble. A full pack of brisket, no problem. Take these racks out. And that's gonna go ahead and open up the overhead space for a full turkey. You could probably get 2 full turkeys in here with no trouble, maybe 3 if they're a little bit smaller. What else can we talk about? We're going to open up the bottom here and take some of these racks out so we get a better look. So here you have the new temperature probe that monitors your cabinet temperature. Masterbuilt redesigned that with this model. And now it looks like a big antenna as opposed to the sensors we are used to on the back. This is now your grease tray. The cookings are going to fall into this tray and slide on down to a little pocket on the outside here. This is your water bowl. Here you can fill it with your favorite fruit juices, apple cider vinegar, water, fruit juices, whatever you want to use. And what I like about this is they redesigned this and had it placed more on the outside. In the past, every other model, it's always been dead center. So if your juices, your apple cider vinegar, whatever you're using, was always getting mixed in with that cooking grease. So now it's on the outside. It's going to protect that a little bit better. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and take this tray out. And here we have our heat deflector shield. We're going to go ahead and remove. Now this is where your pellets are going to feed into. The pellets are going to collect the bottom of this, and this is where you're going to get all your smoke and your heat from. Here up front we have what I assume is going to be the dump for the pellet ashes. So as they burn, create ash. It's going to fall into this tray right here, which is very easy to move out and dump. Continuing on with this, here's your hopper. Again, Masterbuilt redesigned the look of this. You have your temperature probe sensor, your smoke on demand, your power on and off, your temperature button, or excuse me, that's your time button, set your time. You have your temperature button up and down, and this also has 2 probes, capability of supporting 2 probes. In the box, this particular model came with 1 probe. It's a heavy duty wire with a nice long probe at the end for monitoring your meat temperatures. And there is a second spot for a second one, so I'm assuming you call Masterbuilt and order a second one if you like. And what they did to allow these probes to get into your smoker, they designed a little hole here. Turn the camera around so you get a better spot. But there's a little probe spot here where you can send that probe through, or if you were happen to buy your own probes, you could do the same thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is your pellet hopper. This boasts the ability, I believe, to hold 17 pounds of pellets. Your pellets are going to fall into here, and at the very bottom there's an auger, which is going to take those pellets and send them to the spot over here, where again they're going to burn and smoke. And on the side of this lid, they give you your basic operating instructions on how to set the smoker times and temperatures. This smoker can go from 180 degrees to 350 degrees. That would be great for making jerky. up to hopefully getting crisp skin finally on chicken. So I'm excited to see if that works. Take you around the back. The back has this heavy duty handle that you can lean back and roll your smoker to wherever you need to take it. It has adjustable vent holes only at the top here, so you have that feature as well. And of course, in order to lean it back and move it in different locations, you also have wheels. On the side here is where your grease trap is now, so as those drippings fall down and fall into here, you can just pull this right out and dump that grease. So there you have it, the Masterbuilt 44-inch pellet smoker, fully assembled. Excited to get this going, get it seasoned, use it, and report back to everyone how it works. So I want to thank you everyone for watching, and check us out for more information and more videos on My Masterbuilt Electric Smoker on Facebook, and also the My Masterbuilt Electric Pellet Smoker pages as well. Thank you.